Hey guys, did you know that men's average testosterone levels have been dropping by about 1% every year for the last 2 decades? That means your testosterone right now is probably lower than it should be, and you may not even realize it. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 signs of low testosterone that you may be ignoring. So let's jump right in. 1. You gain weight, no matter what you eat. Ever notice that some guys can eat whatever they want? Fast food, pizza, burgers, and still stay lean, while you struggle to lose weight even when you're eating clean? Well, testosterone plays a huge role in fat storage and muscle development. A study published in the National Library of Medicine looked at 5,959 men and found that those with low testosterone stored fat at a much faster rate than those with higher testosterone, regardless of their diet. So if you feel like your body is working against you when it comes to weight loss, low testosterone could be the culprit. 2. Your finger length may reveal your testosterone levels. This one's a little weird, but bear with me. Take a look at your hand. If your ring finger is longer than your index finger, it's a sign that you were exposed to higher levels of testosterone in the womb. On the flip side, if your index finger is longer, it could mean you're naturally predisposed to lower testosterone levels. Now, this isn't a guaranteed test, but studies have shown a correlation between finger length and testosterone exposure. It's just another piece of the puzzle. 3. You have softer facial features. Testosterone literally shapes your face. Higher levels of testosterone create a stronger jawline, more pronounced cheekbones, and thicker brows. Meanwhile, lower testosterone levels lead to softer features, a rounder face, a less defined jawline, and more delicate features overall. If you feel like your face is on the softer side, it could be a sign of lower testosterone. 4. You don't wake up with morning wood. Let's be real. Waking up with an erection is a sign of healthy testosterone levels. If you're not waking up with one most mornings, it could be a sign your testosterone is on the lower side. Here's a simple test. If this happens 7 days a week, you have high testosterone. 5 days a week is still really good. 3 days a week, you're in the normal range. Once a week, you have low testosterone. Never? You likely have very low testosterone. If you're not seeing morning erections as often as you used to, it's time to take action to restore your testosterone levels. 5. You avoid competition. Testosterone is linked to confidence, drive, and competitiveness. A study found that men with higher testosterone were more likely to take on challenges, feel less threatened by more attractive or successful men, and push themselves to compete. Meanwhile, men with low testosterone tend to shy away from competition and avoid risk-taking. If you've been feeling less motivated or hesitant to compete, your testosterone levels might be playing a role. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for the next video where we will go over the most effective ways to boost your testosterone. See you in the next one.